Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, example 13. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, prove that one of every three consecutive positive integer is divisible by 3. So only one will be divisible by 3 in the three consecutive positive integer. So we know that three consecutive integer is n plus 1 and n plus 2. So n is of form 3q 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, as remainder will be less than 3. So there will be cases. So case 1, n is equals to 3q. So it is divisible by 3. So we can write that n is divisible by 3, but n plus 1 and n plus 2 is not divisible by 3, because any one will be divisible, so we are not taking n plus 1 and n plus 2 in this case. So case 2, n is equals to 3q. So we will add both sides n plus 1. So 3q plus 1. So there is a remainder, so it is not divisible. So again we will take n is equals to 3q plus 1. So n plus 1. So we will add both sides by 1. So 3q plus 2. So 2 is remainder, so it is also not divisible by 2. Again we will take n is equals to 3q plus 2. So again we will add both sides by 1. 3q plus 3. Here we will take common. 3 will be common. So q plus 1. So it is not leaving any remainder. So we can write n is equals to 3q plus 2 is divisible by 3. However, n and n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. So moving towards next case. Case 3. N is equals to 3q. So add both sides by 2. So 2 is remainder, so it is not divisible. N is equals to 3q plus 1. So n plus 2. So 3q n plus 2 is equals to 3q plus 1 plus 2. So 3q plus 3. So 3 will be common. So q plus 1. So it is divisible by 3. So we can write n plus 2 is divisible by 3. However, n and n plus 1 are not divisible by 3. Hence, one of n plus 1 and n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Thank you. That's all for this question. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.